This is Amir Mehdi, a Pakistani porter from Hunza Valley. In 1954, he helped carry the oxygen cylinders of Italian mountaineers attempting to climb the second tallest mountain in the world, K2. It's located in Gilgit-Baltistan, a region in northern Pakistan. Amir was, however, abandoned by the Italian team. He was left to die on the mountain, enduring temperatures up to -50 degrees Celsius. They didn't even give him proper equipment. It was reported that he was wearing regular army boots instead of high-altitude snowshoes, which were 2 sizes smaller for him. The Italian team became the first people in history to reach the summit of K2. Amir made it back the next day, losing all of his toes to frostbite. When he finally returned home to his village in Hunza, Amir put away his ice axe and told his family he never wanted to see it again. He retired his axe along with his dreams of climbing K2 for his country. While the Italian team went on to write books and make money, Amir was left with nothing. He wasn't able to move and struggled to feed his wife and kids. Amir died in 1999 at the age of 86. He is buried in his hometown in Hunza Valley.